Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
It has 4 main uses. As a leavening agent. Combine cream of tartar with baking soda and you get your own baking powder. This is because the 2 ingredients combine to produce carbon dioxide gas, making baked goods rise and puff up.
Take our lead.
It is used in many baking recipes for various reasons, but the reason it is added into snickerdoodles is threefold. Cream of tartar gives snickerdoodles their iconic slightly acidic flavor. Cream of tartar prevents the sugar in the cookie dough from crystallizing so that the cookie stays soft instead of crunchy.
Let's help you make your mark.
In baked goods, cream of tartar is used as a leavener, to give cakes, muffins and cookies their rise. It has a tinny, metallic taste that's most noticeable in snickerdoodle cookies. The tinny taste of the cream of tartar was intriguing but not overpowering.
Take our lead.
Baking powder and soda give these cookies their characteristic cracks, so stale leavening is probably at fault here. Also, the right amount of flour is necessary to allow the dough to expand, crack, and set at just the right time. Too much flour will prevent this from happening.
Let's help you make your mark.
Summary: in some recipes, cream of tartar can be left out if there is no suitable replacement. You can simply omit cream of tartar from the recipe if you're making whipped egg whites, syrups, frostings or icings.
Let's help you make your mark.
Laxative: cream of tartar has been used as a natural remedy for constipation. It has a diuretic effect on the body, so it should only be used as an occasional remedy to prevent dehydration and loss of vital electrolytes.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.